Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons. Today we're doing Patreon in review, and these are the last 5 videos that I made last week. So for Monday through Friday, the first one is procrastination is not a fun thing. The second one is how are you thinking on the outside? The third one is anxiety, depression, and a messy home. The fourth one is the Little Mermaid syndrome. And the last one is what you're worth. I think these are all great videos. I've gotten lots of great responses from them. As you may or may not know, I pray before I do any video that it will give you what you're looking for. And oftentimes people will say, Kat, you were talking right to me. And it makes me feel so great to know that it was helpful. So I want you to know that these are out there for you. If you're a patron, pop over and watch your videos. If you're not a patron, please consider joining us. It's $5 a month, and I work really hard to give you they're not long, but I think really insightful videos for you, things that promote deeper thinking and maybe invigorate you in some way. That's what I hope anyway. All right, that's it for today. I want you to have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful, so be beautiful.